Good morning. Hi, everybody. Today we are going to learn participial adjectives. Okay, for this we are going to see these adverbs. Okay, here we have we are going to see the verbs. Here we have the root verb, amazed, and here we have the past participle. You are going to use the past participle to express how you are feeling, and then we have the present participle. With the present participle, you are going to express how the experience is. So if we start here with amazed, you are going to say amazed to express how you are feeling, and amazing to express how the experience is. Okay? Amused, amused, amusing. Annoyed, annoyed, annoying. Okay, I prepared some examples to understand this better. And here we have the first example. I am amazed for this situation. Okay, so here you are expressing how you are feeling, and with this one you are going to express how the experience is. So this situation is amazing. Okay, now we have I am confused by this problem. Okay, and now you are going to express how the experience is. This is a confusing problem. Okay. Now you are going to prepare each one of you. You are going to think in one of the verbs, or you are going to select one of the verbs, and you are going to make one using to express how you are feeling and how the experience is. Okay. Okay. Now, after this, I am going to explain adjective word order. In adjective word order, you have to follow these positions, and we start with a determiner. The determiner, and here you can write the definite or indefinite article too. Okay, then you have to write the opinion, then the size, then we have the age, then we have the shape, the color, the origin, the material, the purpose, and at last we have the noun. Okay, and here we have an example. Handsome. Okay, because it's the indefinite article, handsome. When you say handsome, you are giving an opinion. When you say John, you are talking about age. And when you say Brazilian, you are talking about the origin of the thing or the person. Okay, and at last we have the man. Okay, a handsome young Brazilian man. And the next one, the same. We have a indefinite article. Then if you talk about huge, you are talking about size. If you mention round, you are talking about shape. If you say metal, so you are talking about material. And the noun is a bowl. So a huge round metal bowl. So this is the order that you have to follow when you are writing with many adjectives. Okay? And you know adjectives comes before the noun. Okay. Now we are going to work in activity 2, completing pages 267 and 268. Okay? Then I see you in class. Bye-bye.